In this video, we'll learn how to draw or sketch the phase portrait of couple differential equation on graphic display calculator. I have made this video for two versions, Casio and one for TI Inspire. So over here, what is the first thing? Observe this equation over here. So it will be having x and y is equals to 4 e raised to negative t, 1, 2, and so on. So here you can see there is no variables a and b. We have particular values of a and b, which is 4 and minus 2. Okay, where this negative 1 and 5, they are eigenvalues. You can see they are eigenvalues. If you compare to the general equation, these are eigenvalues. And these two vectors over here, this and this, are eigenvectors. To sketch on this on the calculator, we will have to first open the bracket, because the calculator over here will not be able to take inputs as a vector for graphing. So first open the brackets. How to open the bracket? This left hand side remains as it is. Just open the bracket. So what we get, 4 e raised to minus t times 1. Okay, this will multiplies minus plus 2 e raised to 5t. Similarly over here, 8 e raised to minus t minus 2 e raised to 5t. When you multiply this and simplify further, we should get this something like this. So comparing what we get, x is equals to 4 e raised to minus t plus 2 e raised to 5t, and y is equals to what we get is 8 e raised to negative t minus 2 e raised to 5t. The main purpose of doing this is what actually we are solving it and comparing to get two equations, one in x, one in y. Okay, these are called as parametric equations, and we have provision of sketching parametric equation. These are parametric equations. Parametric with parameter t. So we'll use these equations in the graphic calculator to sketch. In the menu, there's an option of table. We'll draw it using table function. I'll tell you why we cannot draw using the graph function, because in table function we can set the value of t to any range, negative to positive. But in the graph function, if I try to draw parametric functions, so what happens in Casio GDC, it will by default will not consider negative values of time. It will always take positive values of time. So here I'll go to table function, table feature of this, and execute, enter into that. So if you can see I'm already having xt, xyt, and all that. If you don't have that, click on the type over here, F3, and you can have options y is equals to r is equals to parametric and convert. So we'll go to parametric. I already clicked on parametric over here. You can see we have xt, yt, xt, yt, and so on. So xt means this x inputs and yt means the y input. I'll first input this. So it's 4 e raised to. Now already I have this inputs over here. Let us set the table values. So you can set from minus 10 to plus 10. You can set step as 0.1, whichever way you want to put the step as. I'm keeping my point 0.1. I'll execute and execute again. You can see we are getting a table. So this table has parameter as t and y and x given over here according to that. But I want to see graph, right? So here you can see there's the option of graph continuous and graph plot. If you click on graph plot, we get a discrete graph, and if you continue, you get continuous graph. If you click on this, you can see there is a graph coming up over here. So you can just adjust the window either by just moving the arrow, or you can just go to V window and you can just change the window setting, maximum, minimum. Let's say positive 100, because the upper part was not visible, right? So I'm doing that way. That's plot. Okay, this is something like this. You see, you can get the sketch. Now, if you want to sketch the eigenvectors, now we can see there is no eigenvectors available or seen over here. If you want to see eigenvectors along with that, then you have to convert eigenvectors also in terms of parametric form. That's the drawback of this system over here in table function. You can see. So how to convert into parametric form? The eigenvectors over here is 1 and 2. You can see 1 and 2 over here, which is same as what? Y is equals to, it is same as what? Y is equals to 2x, right? And this is same as y is equals to minus x. So if you want to convert into parametric form, we can make it like this. X is equals to t and y is equals to 2t. Same way, x is equals to t and y is equals to minus t. Just multiply this 1 and 2 by tt. So we get t and 2t and negative and negative. Now you put this equation, this equations in over here, substitute it. I'll substitute over here first. Let's say t as x value, then 2t. So this will give me the first this eigenvector. Now for second eigenvector, I'll put again this t and negative t. Okay, I'll execute. You can see the different data available. I'll click on graph continuous. Now you can observe that we already have eigenvectors also and the sketch also. Okay, if you want to do, you can click on this arrow button and see how it looks. So if you want to zoom out, I think zoom out, we have option F4. You can see that how it works. Okay, now same thing we can do it on the other calculator. Let us see this how this works on TI Inspire calculator. So first go to menu and go to graphs. When into graph, it asks for the functions. So we'll first plot the eigenvectors. So here it is very easy to plot eigenvectors first. You can put that is 2x and minus x. So first put 2x. You can see this is one eigenvector. Okay, same way I'll again go and add one more function, which is negative x. Enter. So these are both our eigenvectors. Now to add this solution, we need to use parametric version. So we go to menu, graph entry, then come down and click on parametric. So here you can see xt and yt over here. So yes, let us input the value over there. And the step size, I'll keep it as 0.1. Okay, then I'll press enter. You can see that already the graph is drawn, sketch has already been drawn. You can see that this blue color over here is the sketch, particular solution. Let me zoom out, menu, then zoom. I need to zoom out, right? Zoom out. Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. You can see this feature over here. You can see it over here. Yeah, this is what it is. So you can draw this sketch of this face portrait only for particular solutions by this method, by using parametric equations. And the benefit of this T-Inspire is what happens. You don't have to input equation. You don't have to input the eigenvectors in this format. You can directly put without this form also. Okay, thank you so much.